Hello and welcome to the channel. We are going to start by pull 3, knit 2, pull 3, knit 1, and keep continue, pull 3, knit 2, and pull 3. Next row you just knit whatever it is, knit 3, pull 2, and then now I'm going to start the first pattern by pull. When it comes in these two, I'm going to knit 1, then the second stitch between I grab the yarn, knit the second one, and in the same stitch I grab the yarn again, like that. Then 3 pull, 1 knit, 3 pull. When it comes in the 2, I knit the first one, insert my hook between these two in the second one, knit the second one again in the same stitch, grab there like that. In the next row, this is the separation. When it comes in these 4, I'm going to take the first 2 together and then make 1. And here also these 2 together and make it 1. 3 knit. When it comes on the 1 with 1 pull, I do it and then make twice increasing, then again separation. When it comes in these 2, I'll take 2 together and pull and separation. For next row, when it comes in these 2, just I'm going to knit 2. Now it's time to do the pattern for the one in the middle. The one I increasing in the last row, I'll take it and do it like this, and just without knitting I keep continuing. Then these 2 just knit and separation. Just we are going to do the normal one until it comes in the one like that. I'm going to slip you can see here. It's time again to start to make the pattern for that one. What I have to do when it comes in that part, I'm going to knit 1, and then the second chain space here, insert my hook, grab the yarn, knit the second one, and again in the same space I'm going to grab the yarn like that. Now 3 pull here. Now it's time to just knit 1, then repeat by knit 1, insert the hook here, knit, and do the grab the yarn again in the same loop, then this one. We are going to repeat the pattern by knit 3. When it comes in these two, I'll take these two together, I get 1, the next one also together, knit 3. When it comes in the 1, I pull and then increase twice and repeat the pattern. The most important part for this one is, for this pattern like this, you have to repeat the pattern after 3 rows. As you can see, just you have to knit it right now, and this one, it has to be take it like this, then here, let's do one more row. When it comes in the 1, I'm going to just slip, now it's time to have a pattern here again. Knit 1, go to the second one, just knit that one, and that's all. You have to just repeat these 2 patterns. Make sure, as I told you, for this one it has to be repeat after 3 knitting. For this one you have to do it each row, but make sure for the one in the middle the pattern starts from the right side, to just pull it, increase twice, and then keep continue this row. After a few rows your pattern should look like that. This is front side and back side. As you can see here, it's gonna be really nice pattern for hat or cardigan, sweaters, and whatever you wish. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a good